I'm gonna let a tween drive my buggy. Hey Kendall, don't break it.
She didn't even open the door. You'll probably figure it out.
It's real easy. R means race.
Which ones do I put?
That's the go pedal, that's the brake pedal.
I thought the brake pedal didn't work.
Skinny one on the right. Skinny makes you go fast.
Press the brake pedal.
But easy, killer. Alright, get a feel for it. Easy. Nice and straight. That's probably as fast as you can safely go responsibly. Not lying. And if it gets too foggy on that window, hang your head out. Or that. I like Ace Ventura method.
The brake pedal to stop. Slamming. Slowly. Going to go a little bit more slowly to press the pedal.
I had just a little bit of meat left for those brake pads. They gone.
There you go. Get up a little quicker. Steady the brakes. Slowly apply the brakes. Nope, when you put off the other pedal, you only drive with one foot. Go ahead, put the brakes on. Slow. Look, you don't ever drive with 2 feet. Use the same foot. Off the gas, on the brake.
Okay.
I'm just trying to teach you how to brake. Easy movement.
Let her master this.
I need a boost for speed.
Yeah.
I'm like all over the
You're
gear.
good, you're good.
Hold it fast. I want to see you do a stop.
Good.
There you go.
It's nice and easy.
So you slam on the brake and you see it go.
Same when you apply the gas. Don't mash on it.
That's enough. Fast enough.
This thing only goes about 10 before it blows up, so let's not blow it up.
I can make the car go home.
Be awesome if you did. did everything. It didn't do it by itself.
Oh,
Hold on.
Just drive slowly. When you see a giant downhill, try not to put it
Trying to kill us.
I'm not doing it! Yeah, you were the only one who could make it do
I
that.
don't know what I did.
It's all good, all good.
Can I go past?
Yeah. That's fine.
Hold on, stop, stop. Just stay right there. I want to go that way.
How do I do that?
So, move that gear shift right there. Nope, that thing.
This.
Yep. To where it says R
Where's the R?
on the gauge. Keep going.
And
And
One more.
R.
now
Nope.
you're gonna go
Is
backwards.
this in R? All right. So slowly back up.
Do I keep going?
Yeah. A little bit more. This turns like a fucking bus. Yeah. All right. Now put it back in low.
Where's that?
Push up.
You might have to slam it up. There you go. What's that? H?
H.
That's fine. That's cool.
There's low.
All right. Now turn right.
Oh!
Slowly.
Easy!
Might not have been in gear all the way.
Thank God. Easy.
All right, easy. All right, stop, stop. It's not in gear all the way. There we go. Now, slowly apply pressure to the pedal. A little bit. Go on. There we go. Nice and easy.
How do I do this?
You're doing it.
You're doing it. Just that amount of pressure to the pedal.
Okay, now what do I do?
Keep turning it.
We got this one.
Yep.
It's the one that had to stop this time.
Can I go slowly through this one?
Oh, you got it, dude. Oh, you missed it.
I'm trying.
Go straight through the middle.
Oh,
Nice and slow.
Into the road. Careful, right.
Keep going. Keep going. Alright, stop. Stop. Steve, hit it 4 more times. Nope. Just, there you go. Now do it. That same amount. Keep going. You're good. Alright. Keep going though. Keep going.
why does it keep doing that?
Perfect. So you did it. All right. Hey, good job. You didn't die.
I didn't kill it.
And you, more importantly, you didn't kill us.
You can sit in the front.